Faster. Oh, you hit the edge of it. Well, go ahead. Ah, that wasn't nearly as cool as I was hoping it would be. All right, let's put this thing on ramps.
So today we're going to be working on my car. We got quite a few things wrong with it. Not that it's not drivable or anything like that. There's just a few things. What are you doing? There's just a few things that need to be done with it. But first things first, how cute is my new jumpsuit? Is it not just so cute? You love that. You're going to keep that in there, aren't you?
Yeah, so what do we got? What do we got wrong with your car?
The flinger valve. The snoof bloop.
Okay, those aren't real things.
No, there's the starter solenoid that needs to get changed out.
Yeah, because you got to start it with a screwdriver.
Yeah.
I'm sick of her ruining my screwdrivers because she used a couple of my nice snap-on ones.
Well, you didn't give me.
Yep. So
you didn't give me a shitty one. Yeah, so now I have
okay.
a cheap one. But now we're not going to need it anymore. I've used it now once to start the car. So anyways.
R.I.P. snap-on screwdrivers.
Yes. They're still fine. They're still usable.
Anyways.
Yeah. Anyways, what's that other thing called? It's the
power steering gear
gearbox. Yeah. Do we gotta change that out, or we just gotta do some
we got new seals for it because it's leaking all over the driveway.
Yep.
And she's going to remove the power steering gearbox and change the seals, the input and the output shaft seals on that.
Yeah.
So that's going to be fun for her because she's never done anything that intrusive.
Yeah. Yay, we got so much to do today.
She has so much to do. I am going to be working on my truck in another video that you're going to see before or after this one.
Yeah. I hope we make it through this, honey.
It's all you, baby. So first thing you're going to do is jack it up, stick it on jack stands.
Oh, it's on it.
It's on ramps, not on jack stands.
Yeah, but why do we need to jack it up?
What if one of your bag blows while you're under it and crushes you? Okay. And you need to check your knockoffs, so you need it.
Fine,
wheels for
this
that.
thingy.
So let's get her to jack up her car and put it on jack stand.
Jack it. These things need to have some stretching on there. They're not moving.
Let your weight off your wheels. Oh, let's put some jack stands on it. I don't know if there's jack stands. Oh, you can stop there. Okay.
First, we're going to do the power steering gearbox, and then we're going to. There's two lizards over there. Sorry.
Yeah, they were doing that before. Do you want to do the starter solenoid first, since that's the easiest?
No, I told you that I want to start with the hardest thing first, and then go to the easiest. So we'll do the steering, power steering gearbox. Then we'll do the tanks in the back, and then we'll do the starter solenoid.
All right. So.
And then we'll do the knockoffs in the AC.
Do you know what you're doing?
Oh, and the when do we do the or how hard is the alignment thing?
We just got to go under there and
jiggle some things,
loosen something up, move a wheel and tighten it up. All right, so you're gonna get underneath.
Okay.
Crawl under that bitch. You want something to lay on? Look at that ball joint's f***ed.
What?
That ball joint's f***ed.
How can you tell?
Because it's all fucking broken and shit.
Hey.
Yeah. All right, so after a bunch of cussing and swearing, this new car girl is figuring it out that nobody really wants to fix cars.
No.
But
who wants to do this shit?
But we have to because that's the joys of having such a beauty in your life. So now you got those lines undone from the top. Now you need to go on bottom and take that bolt off that connects the tie rods.
Okay.
And this is a safety wire pliers. It is not meant for what you're about to do, but it works the best. So take that, go under there. All right, so this is a larger version of what you have in there. So this goes through the bolt, and then they bend over these tabs.
Yep. So I got to bend those together with this?
So you got to take those tabs and bend them straight. Sure, you can use that if you need. We can get you other tools. But that is so you can grab this side and pull it out, because that thing has a lot of grip.
Okay.
And that is what, in my experience, is the easiest thing, the easiest way to take these out.
Okay.
So straighten those two tabs, grab that with this, and give her a yank. Got it?
Love giving them a yank.
All right. All right, so my cameras are dummy sometimes, but we got this unconventional ball joint tool right there. It is not a pickle fork, but it will press this ball joint apart. So tighten that, and then it's gonna go boom. So make sure it doesn't land on your face.
Oh, Jesus Christ, that was loud.
Told you, don't be scared when it goes boom. All right, you can just pull that out, or just leave it there. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
It should be fine.
Jesus Christ.
Throw the tools at me.
I didn't throw anything. It all just fell out of my hands.
All right.
Did we bust it?
Push this up and let's get this out of here. Get that off.
Jesus Christ. Nothing's happening.
I don't think you're on the nut.
It just came all the way off, David.
I did it?
Yep.
Nice. And watch your face.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
All right. Cool.
I think it needs to be loosened up first, doesn't it, or no?
This is loosen. Hold it on there. It'll go. That's what it's made for.
Ah.
All right. So turn it back in. You don't need to take it off.
Oh, can't believe that's how you get that out of there.
I had to get one out of the transmission on my Bug, and I struggled and struggled and struggled for hours. And then I went and bought this tool. And I was like, God, that's so much easier.
I just can't believe that's the way you do it, though. So what was wrong with the seal other than the hole that you just punctured in it?
It was just leaking. Hold it.
I am holding it. Okay. A thingy. Okay. All right.
Now we gotta get this off.
Oh, there's a hair in it.
So
What the
that's probably why it was leaking. So we got that out with the screw method and a pry bar. And then there's another washer in there that we got to get out. So
Oh, is there?
at least we're almost done.
Yeah, right. We're still gonna put it back in, which is gonna be a bitch.
No, just those first three mounting bolts are going to be the hard part. The rest will be
damn
pretty
it.
decent.
About to break your shit, bro. Yep.
Nice.
All right. No?
All right, let's go. I farted. It stinks. I don't want to be standing.
How do I know when it's
Just
done?
beat it.
How do I know when it's done?
I don't know. Did it stop?
I don't know.
Push it on there. Push down hard because you weren't. All right, that should be
I think that's good. It's not moving anymore.
Push it in. Okay, push it in. Now turn it. Push, 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 push.
Yep. Okay.
All right, so I muscled that thing up and she tightened all the bolts. We just didn't do it on camera.
Yeah, see, I tightened them.
And now she's gonna hook up her couple ball joints from the steering to the wheels. And then we're gonna center the steering and the steering wheel and hook up the steering shaft to the power steering pump, or the power steering gear. And then we're gonna fill that shit with fluid.
Fill it with fluid, yeah.
How you like owning an old car now?
This isn't owning an old car, this is fixing an old car.
This is a part of owning an old car.
No, if I was rich, I could just take it to somebody.
Well, you're not rich, so if you had to take this car to a mechanic every time it broke, you would never have this car. All right, so we got the steering gearbox done, and now she's working on replacing the solenoid. But when we did it, this grounding wire was on that stud over there, and when we tightened up this terminal, the positive terminal was touching the grounding stud, so it went up in a puff of smoke. So what we're doing is we're going to move that over to this side and pay better attention to where our wires are touching when we cinch them down. All right, it's going to work. So
Eagle, throw the switch. Yes, man.
last time it went.
Oh yeah, we're good now. There was a huge puff of smoke last time.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, I always figure out what it is.
Yeah, you always do. That's for sure.
How do you like being a mechanic?
I don't like it at all.
You are dirty.
I know. I started the day out all cute. I was excited about my new outfit. I was excited about doing all these things in my car. Barely any of that happened that we were gonna do. We got, like you said, we got the solenoid done just now, and we got the power steering, what the fuck ever it's called, done by the grace of God, or whoever's God.
Yeah, I should have guessed that would have taken a lot longer than it did. We
Oh
wanted
my
to
God.
fix the airbag stuff today, or the air tank stuff today, but
Yeah. And what was the other thing we were gonna do? I can't even remember now.
both of them had to do with
Oh.
the pump.
No, that was the knockoffs, and we wanted to charge the AC. So two
Well,
out
we
of
could-
3,
we
or
could-
2 out of 5.
We can still tack the knockoffs in, but anyways,
I'm not doing that. Anyways, it's 2 out of 5.
repeat after me.
What?
Thanks for watching the channel. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button because you know you want to see more of me.
What he just said.
Say it.
Thanks for watching the channel.
Don't sound so enthusiastic. Tone it down just a little bit.
Thanks for watching the channel. Like and subscribe. I don't know what the rest of you said.
Let's make it up.
We hope to see you here again soon.
Yes, because we see you while you're watching the videos, which is what
Yeah.
you don't know.
That's right. No, but yeah, hopefully you come back and watch us again. Watch us struggle and everything. Yeah.
Peace out.
Bye. Wait, can I do the...
You can do worse than that. Spread your fingers. Well, yesterday as we stopped recording, we went to start the car up and the power steering gearbox leaked 100 times worse than before. It was just a steady stream out of the output shaft seal. So apparently National doesn't have their shit together when they made the seal for this car, and now we're just brokenhearted. It's really frustrating when you spend all day on a project and put it back together and it didn't work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna order a new power steering gear and just say, F it, get a new one in there and run her, because we don't wanna mess around with it again, taking it all out for another seal that's not gonna fit. So we're gonna order that up real quick and put that in hopefully next weekend. So yeah, shit happens when you fart naked.